Mr. Parks, what's the family reaction after today?
Nancy, they are devastated from the court's ruling today. As you can see, when they came out of court, they couldn't even talk. I mean, they didn't even appear at the news conference. They went straight to their vehicle and exited the courthouse complex. I tell you, they were hoping for a lot better. They are very, very, very hurt today, but they are abide by the court's ruling and hope that we can move forward to convict Mr. Zimmerman.
You, as their lawyer, did explain to them that Zimmerman has a right to appear in court. He has a right to speak in court. He has a right to make an apology if he wants. That's what he wants to sit on the stand. He can. He's got a right to have a bond set, a reasonable bond, if it's a bondable offense. I mean, they knew what could happen today, right?
Well, one difference. Number one, we told them yesterday that we did not want to hear his apology. Number two, when you take the stand at a bond hearing, you are coming to direct evidence to the court's attention concerning possibility of you being released and what the conditions should be. When a lawyer puts you on the stand and you're supposed to offer evidence to the court, they didn't offer not one scintilla of evidence to the court. Instead, he takes the stand, his lawyer leans back so he can have line of sight with Sabrina and Tracy so that he could offer his unwelcomed apology. And so to do that, even though they told him now wasn't the time for that, was a slap in the face to them that they would do it anyway for it to be so self-serving to them. So they, they didn't take
Mr. Parks,
it well.
may I ask you a question? You're an attorney
Yes.
in very good
Yes.
standing. Have you ever heard a defendant in a criminal case take the stand and say something that was not self-serving? Have you ever heard one just get up and confess and tell the whole thing? I haven't. So, I mean, what did they expect Zimmerman to do?
Well, first of all, Nancy, you would think that this is a very, very highly sensitive case, right? So
Yes.
when we made it very clear to them yesterday, there would be a time and place for that,
Whoa,
right?
whoa. You made it clear to who?
We made it clear to Zimmerman publicly that, yes, they had told us that they wanted to offer an apology. There would be a proper time and place for that, and it will be. However, coming in this particular setting at a bond hearing is not that type of setting. And yes, we counseled, we talked, and we told them about what the laws in Florida is in certain situations and entitlement to bond. They understand that, right?
Yeah.
That still does not negate the situation that their son is dead, right? This guy walked around free for so long, and within a week he's been released. I mean, you have to understand, they're victims. They don't see.
I know.
They don't see it the
you
way
know, Daryl,
lawyers see
I think part of it was just seeing him. Regardless, if he had not said he was sorry, I think they would have been upset that he didn't say he was sorry. If he does say he's sorry, it's self-serving. I think just the shock of seeing the man charged with gunning down their son, he could have done a backflip, and I think that their hearts would still be just as broken right now, no matter what Zimmerman did. I was very surprised, Mr. Taffy, that he took the stand at all. Weigh in, Frank Taffy.
Well, first of all, we're elated with Judge Lester's decision to give George bond today. I would say that that was George being George. He was sincere. He was composed. And I think Angela Corey and the lead investigator need to start a new show, Dancing with the Stars, because they were tap dancing all day.